As the sun rises over Paris, a tall iron tower stands quietly above the city. Today, the Eiffel Tower is loved around the world, but its story began with doubt and disagreement. In the year 1889, France prepared for a grand World's Fair to celebrate 100 years of the French Revolution. The nation wanted a symbol of progress, something bold and unforgettable. Engineer Gustave Eiffel proposed an extraordinary idea: a 300-meter-tall tower made entirely of iron. Many people believed it was impossible and unnecessary, but Eiffel believed in science and innovation. Construction began in 1887. Over 18,000 iron pieces were carefully assembled in just 2 years. As the tower rose higher, artists and writers criticized it, calling it ugly and dangerous. The tower was meant to stand for only 20 years, but science saved it. It became useful for research and radio communication. Today, the Eiffel Tower rises proudly over Paris, a powerful symbol of creativity, courage, and human imagination.